Alrighty, let's take a drive here in a 65 Lincoln Continental, the old suicide door.
Oh, it's a cruiser, man.
Yeah, it is, man.
I can feel the weight.
Oh yeah, no, that drives smooth. I remember my dad had these kind of cars. He loved them. Yeah, this one's got the big 430 V8 in there. You know,
special transmission, turbo drive.
Yeah,
3-speed. Which
yeah,
is
dual range.
Unique.
Yeah, it's all dual range, and of course, you know, they're pretty loaded for the time. Power steering, power brakes, AC,
power seats.
Oh yeah,
power windows.
Big AM radio. Look at that.
It don't work, but you know, it's there and it makes a noise, but.
Yeah.
That's cool though, but these vents, man, man, they're so cool. I didn't even know they were vents till a couple minutes ago until you showed me, Gary.
Yeah, there you go, man. Look at that. You know, it's got all the power accessories. The upholstery's in great shape. I think it's pretty new, you know. And
the seats, we did the seats. We had our guys do the seats, but the rest of the interior is original. The door panels and all that are original. But no, really, I mean, this car needed the fresh seats because they were a little ripped and torn and old. But we have every registration dating back to when this car was new.
Yeah, yeah. There's even this. Well, there's the guy's. I think this the two owner.
That's the first owner's name.
That's the first owner's name.
Back then, you spent all that money to put your name on the dash.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, that's a nice car. It's a nice cruiser. Drives
new tires
well.
on it. We put new rubber on it too.
Yeah.
Classic dash. Look at all that stainless trim and all that chrome.
Oh
and
yeah.
The Lincoln horn, of course.
That's right. James, I'm here.
James. I'd like to know the story behind the suicide door name, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
People jump out and commit suicide and door hits them?
Yeah, boom, ow. Yeah, no, that's pretty cool. I mean, my dad loved these cars. We were like, when we were little kids, you know, I was a little kid back then. I was like, wow, this is so cool, you know?
Lincoln Continental.
Yeah, oh yeah. We were the bomb in the neighborhood. Good looking car. All right, we're coming up on picture spot here.
All right, here's a land yacht, a 1965 Lincoln Continental suicide door sedan. Pretty cool. I mean, you see a lot of these in the convertibles and they're getting pricey. You know, you see them $60,000, $70,000, $80,000. But this is a little four-door sedan, and this is it's like 20 grand, a lot less. But a nice original car. This is a two-owner car. Even got the first owner's name on the dash there. We've got every registration dating back to when it was new. Got the original black license plates on there. I mean, these were luxurious cars when they were new. They were really expensive compared to everything else. But just nice. Lots of chrome trim. This is the original color combination. They got a 430 V8 in them. This one has a turbo drive 3-speed transmission, so you can get up on the highway with it. We put some new tires on it. Go ahead and show you the interior. We had the front and rear seats redone. They were just brittle, and that's kind of what happens with old cars when they sit around. Even here in dry California, you know, that heat gets to them. So surprisingly, the dash is in great condition. I don't think it sat outside a whole lot over its life. Door panels are original and in nice condition. All the chrome trim inside. That steering wheel, it's got a little wear to it, but it's, you know, it's artwork. Pretty cool looking car. You know, it had factory air, which in this one needs to be gone through. I mean, everything's there. The compressor started making noise, so we took the belt off of it. But this suicide door option, it's awesome. It's pretty cool, man. It's like getting out, stepping out on the red carpet. Nice headliner. All the trim inside is nice. Some guys are taking these things and resto-modding them, putting new motors in them and airbags. You can do that to this car if you want. Might be a little bit of a shame because this one's nice and original, but totally up to you. It's your car. Great looking classic sedan though, and they seem to be going up in value. All right, here's the power plant in the 65 Lincoln Continental. 430 cubic inch, big Ford motor. Great engines, you know, lots of power, and this one's got power steering, it's got power brakes, has air conditioning that needs to be gone through like I mentioned, but there it is, it's all there. Just stock under the hood. This car's never been restored, just kept up over the years. I'll show you the other side here. Fairly simple to work on, you know, it's a Ford. And everything under here has been unmolested there, so all the wiring and everything is original, and it's nice to get one that, you know, you can still work on it because everything is where it's supposed to be. It has been converted to electric fuel pump, which is a little better for cold starts, but we'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. It's a nice, smooth running little 430. Not much to it. You're not supposed to hear these things that much, so we're usually firing up our hot rods. It's got factory dual exhaust. Runs nice and strong. If you come over here to this corner, you can hear that electric fuel pump a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of nice to put the electric fuel pump on these, and you used to have to pump them and wait a while to get them started. This one starts pretty easy. Well, if you want to see this in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary over there in the Lincoln, and we'd be happy to show you the car in person. Thanks for watching.